What's going on, guys? My name is Ivan Martinez, otherwise known as Mr. Martinez, and today we're talking about the Yeezys 350 version 2 coming up. So you guys heard it right, I am going to take a look at the 350 Yeezys version 2. I wasn't messing around, but if it's your first time here, my name's Ivan. I'm a men's style and lifestyle guy, and that's what my channel is all about. If it's your first time here, definitely go ahead and hit that subscribe button down there. Also go ahead and hit that bell button to get notifications every time I post a new video. So this week's video, I wanted to do a little bit something different. I wanted to give a different perspective to something that I'm not really that comfortable, or maybe not even like that familiar with, and I've been wanting to do this for a little bit, so I decided to take myself into a different area of, like, not even my expertise, it's just kind of like what my opinion is. So what will this video consist of? This video is going to consist of an unboxing. I'm going to go ahead and unbox for you guys. I'm also going to go ahead and just give you guys my straight up opinion of, like, you know, unboxing it, taking a look at it, what attributes I like, and then maybe which ones I dislike. And then at the very end, I'll show you guys a look that I would do, just kind of including like this hoodie that I have on, and just kind of the look that I have on right now. I think that it fit very well with the sneakers. So yeah, let's go ahead and jump in. So let's go ahead and unbox this thing. All right, here they are. Nice, clean sneaker. Now I got these in all black, and I am not upset that I got all black. It does have a little bit of a mid gray in here, as you can see, and then here's the sole. Now I'm just gonna say here, now my first reaction to these sneakers is it does look appealing. I'm not gonna lie. I am a little bit of a sneaker guy, not that much, but just enough. I like to kind of wear sneakers here and there. I grew up wearing like Air Force Ones, if you guys know those, and if you guys follow me on my Instagram, and I have my stuff right here, you'll see in a few pictures that I'm always, you know, whenever I want to casual something up, I will definitely throw on my Air Force Ones with it, especially with like a suit or something like that. I think it looks really nice. I've gotten some backlash before on that. But anyways, yeah, I have my info there for my Instagram. But yeah, definitely go ahead and give me a follow on there. So back to the sneaker here. I do like that it's a little bit more sleek. Now the thing that I don't like about this, and I won't say the only thing because I probably have a few more things, but the sole is not really that attractive to me. These stripes or this stuff here, if you see this, the sole of it, I'm just not digging this. And again, this is just very much my personal opinion. If you like it, I mean, it is what it is. But if they could change it, maybe just something more like seamless, that'd be a little bit more you know, better for me. But again, who am I? One of the things that I do like as well is the shoelaces here seem very seamless. You basically don't even need to tie these things. I mean, they basically fit your foot really snug. And again, that's another pro for me, because I really hate having to tie my shoes all the time. If I could prevent it, I will. So I just like to basically slip my foot in and then be out the door. So for any kind of fast kind of style or anything like that, if I need to get out the door, this would be a pretty good pair to keep around for that. Another thing that I like is this back part here. Now I don't really see the purpose of this, of having it. Maybe it's to pull up the shoe. I'm not really sure. If you know, definitely leave that in the comments. So getting into kind of like what I would wear these with, just to kind of talk through a few examples. I'll be showcasing like pictures or videos here. But one of the things that I would definitely wear these things with is definitely streetwear. And I know that a lot of you guys that do streetwear do this sneaker very well. You guys kill it when you guys wear them. So I think that I would follow along in the same tier of wearing like these sneakers with some jeans, but some ripped jeans, a hoodie like the one that I have on now, maybe even just a t-shirt, my leather jacket, stuff like that, things that just very much showcase streetwear and the things that we've kind of seen now, I guess, in the streetwear scene as like big staples. I'm not a big guy of wearing like the baggy stuff, so I'm gonna keep my stuff a little bit more just along the dapper casual side, where I can go ahead and take advantage of these. So if you're like me and you're a dapper guy and you're like, you know, I really want to try these things out, or I really like them, just go for it. You can really take advantage of the sneaker and use it to just kind of showcase a different style in your wardrobe, and to kind of give you a little bit of a challenge, especially if you've never worn sneakers like this before and you're like, nah, let me just go ahead and give it a try. I definitely encourage you guys to do it. It definitely expands your boundaries and kind of tests that that like dapper style that you have, and just kind of brings it in a different light. So I'm going to show you guys like a few examples that I have here, and a few videos of like the sneaker, but I did want to kind of give you guys a little bit of advice of like what to and what maybe not to wear with the sneaker. So I'd say you could rock these with some joggers, you could rock these with some jeans. Good denim will look really nice with these, especially these black ones. I know they have a variety of different colors, but selvedge jeans would look really well with these. You could wear some ripped up jeans, that's very popular nowadays. So the hypebeast style is definitely something that goes very well with these. The dapper style does not, so I would not recommend these with like trousers or anything more elevated. I even think that chinos look a little bit like it'd be a little bit too much for these, but I don't know. I'll have to go ahead and just give them a try with different styles and different looks, but for the most part I'll probably just say keep it with like either joggers or denim. Last thing, guys, don't wear these with suits. This is not a style to go with suits. If you're wearing like super skinny slim fit trousers, I'd say okay, fine. Or if you're like wearing a suit that's completely casual, you're wearing a t-shirt and like I don't know what else, maybe then. But for the most part, don't walk around and wear some suits with these. Alright guys, so there you have it, a little bit of an unboxing, some recommendations, a little bit of my like first opinions on these Yeezys. Now again, I am no shoe expert, so if you are a huge like connoisseur of 350s or Yeezys in general, definitely go ahead and leave any comments down below of things that our fellow family members need to kind of take a look at, especially when they're purchasing these. My younger brother, actually, and you guys should follow him on Instagram too, my younger brother is a huge fan of Yeezys and like just sneakers in general, so he would just kind of like, hey, you have to get these. I was like, nah, alright, cool. So I'll go ahead and give them a try. But yeah, again, if it's your first time here, definitely go ahead and hit that subscribe button, hit that bell button too. Make sure to join the Martinez Familia, and I will see you guys in the next one. And as always, guys, don't forget to style up.